Okay, today we're talking about trap adapters and drain waste vent pipe versus tubular drains. So there's an important distinction I want you to know about. When we talk about Schedule 40 pipe, whether it's PVC or drain waste vent pipe, ABS, PVC, whatever, if you look here, we have 1.5" drain waste vent pipe, and then we have an 1.5" tubular drain. But you can see they're very clearly different diameters. Both 1.5", but not the same diameter. Tubing is measured by outer diameter, pipe is measured by inner diameter. That is where a trap adapter comes in. A trap adapter allows you to transition from your drain waste vent pipe in the wall to your tubular P-trap drain, and they come in different sizes and materials. And there's different connection types. If we look here, the hub and slip joint trap adapter, a hub is designed to receive your drain waste vent pipe or your Schedule 40 pipe, whereas a spigot by slip joint trap adapter is designed to go inside of a fitting. So you need to know which one you need if you're installing a sink in a bathroom or kitchen or doing plumbing rough-in. Do you need a hub by slip joint or a spigot by slip joint? Spigot is also referred to as a street trap adapter. So the spigot is a male connection, whereas the hub is a female connection that receives your drain waste vent pipe. So you can see in this commercial office building, you can see we have this pipe coming through the wall, and you can see the trap adapter there. Whereas this ABS black pipe here, you can see this is a hub by slip joint trap adapter. And again, this 1.5", that's also 1.5". There's our sanitary tee. You can see right there, it says 1.5". There's our 1.5" tubular drain. And it uses slip joint couplers, but there's our trap adapter, and you can see where they glued a small piece of pipe between the trap adapter and the sanitary tee with ABS glue. So use ABS glue if you're gluing ABS pipe. Use PVC glue if you're gluing PVC pipe, not PBS. But I hope that makes sense now, how that trap adapter gets installed and why you need it. And now I would like to tell you about a practical facilities maintenance handbook available now in ebook and paperback format. It has common facilities documents, signage, tags, resource and training material, as well as common shop equipment drawings that you can use to fabricate shop equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. Or if you need mugs, hats, shirts, or weather-resistant stickers for your facility, there is a link in the video description below for this online facilities maintenance store where you can purchase the products that you see here. I hope you find this helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.